So I want to show you guys how to use manual mode on this machine. It really is something that you shouldn't use because it's an automatic machine, so you're kind of defeating the purpose of what it's made for. And you already have pre-saved pallet configurations in there. But if you want to use manual mode, I'm going to walk you through that and show you how that goes. So let's take a walk over here to the control panel and show you. So to get to manual mode, you just hit the jog down button and you scroll through here and get down to manual controls. Hit OK. Hit OK one more time. And if I hit jog up, carriage will go up. If I jog down, carriage will go down. And if I hold this in, the turntable is going to spin. So I'm going to hold it in now. If I don't hold it in any longer, it stops, so stop. But if I keep holding it in until it beeps, it's going to keep spinning. Now it's going to keep going. So now I'm going to raise the carriage up. The turntable is going to keep spinning until I stop it. And I'm manually raising the carriage up. And I'm holding it in. So let's say I'm getting towards the top here and I decide, you know, hey, that's good enough. I'm gonna let it spin for a little bit. And I figure, hey, I got enough wraps there. I'm gonna bring it back down. I'm gonna hold the jog button down. And I'm just gonna hold it down until I get all the way to the bottom. Now I'm at the bottom and I'm gonna hit OK to stop it.